Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding using gelatin. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water, 2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Begin by sprinkling the gelatin over the cold water in a small bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This process, called blooming, softens the gelatin and prepares it for dissolving evenly. Next, in a medium saucepan, combine the 2 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has fully dissolved. It's important not to let the milk boil. A gentle simmer is perfect. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat and proceed to the next step. Now, add the bloomed gelatin directly into the warm milk and sugar mixture. Stir gently but thoroughly until the gelatin is completely dissolved and no granules remain. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can stir in your desired flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolate pudding. Finally, carefully pour the pudding mixture into individual serving dishes or a larger mold. Place the dishes in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the pudding is completely set and firm. Once chilled, your delicious homemade gelatin pudding is ready to enjoy. Garnish with fresh berries, whipped cream, or chocolate shavings for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.